Alright, so if you are watching my YouTube videos, then you must be familiar with the Kuzco, because I have uploaded about the Kuzco airdrop almost 8 months back, and a lot of people has started mining the Kuzco points using the Kuzco console. So right now this Kuzco has around 20,000 followers, and when I have shared about this airdrop, it was just has 5,000 followers. And I think this Kuzco has a lot to give you into the airdrop. So let's understand how you can run this Kuzco console and how you can earn Kuzco points so that you are eligible for the Kuzco airdrop. So this is the official website of the Kuzco.xyz, and here you can see they have docs, they have leaderboard, they have compute, map, and pricing. What is Kuzco? The distributed GPU cluster for LLM interface on Solana. So they are building GPU cluster for LLM interfaces and get paid to contribute your idle power to the Kuzco network. So if you have your idle power, if you have idle compute, like your laptop is sitting idle, you are not doing anything, then you can provide that compute to the Kuzco so that they can utilize it, and in return you will get the tokens, you will get the coins. So use the network to inference popular models like Llama 3.1 and other using an OpenAI compatible API. So this is going to be a really great project in my opinion. And right now, if you see the statistics, so we have around 11,000 workers running in the real time, and RPM if you see 2.3k, and 24 hours network payout is 2.4 billion. So I think these points are not making any sense, but if you see this 11,000 workers are online, and now they have generating a lot of compute through the Kuzco network. And I've been like watching this Twitter, and if you see, there are nearly 5,000 unique NVIDIA devices on Kuzco. So this is very interesting. More than 5,000 unique NVIDIA devices on Kuzco. So I think they will give us a lot of good airdrop. And if you go to the cryptorank.io about the funding report, so recently they have raised 500k from A16Z. And if you know about A16Z, it is the crypto agent SDK platform, and they have investment DAO. They invest into AI projects, and they have incubated this Kuzco. So this is going to be really big in my opinion, and they will be giving a good airdrop, and they are running epochs right now. So if you go to this leaderboard, so now this is the epoch 2 leaderboard, and previously it was epoch 1 which has ended. And that epoch, if you see my video, the previous one, you can see Kuzco testnet is live, epoch 1 has started. So epoch 1 has ran around 5 to 6 months, and now we have into the epoch 2. So if you have if you missed epoch 1, I think this is a great time to start with epoch 2. And this is the leaderboard for top 200 users. And if you go with epoch 1, then you can see a lot of people, like I think 500 people, and they have leaderboard in if you have to come into this leaderboard, I think they will be airdropping to top I think they will be airdropping to almost every user who has given the sufficient compute to the Kuzco network. So how to run your hardware, how to give your idle machine to Kuzco. So first you have to understand just by going to the docs, and once you click on the docs, then you will see how to actually run and how the whole Kuzco works. But you have to go to the hardware section to understand whether your device is compatible with the Kuzco network or not. So Kuzco supports many different hardware configuration across Mac, Windows, Linux. This page provides a list of the most common hardware that Kuzco supports. So minimum system requirement is very simple. What is a GPU in the list below with at least 16 GB of VRAM. So at least 16 GB of RAM is required. 30 GB of free disk space is required so that they can do some compute, and at least 100 Mbps network bandwidth. You can check on fast.com. So these are the basic requirements that you have to fulfill to be a part of this Kuzco network. So if you have Apple device, so these are the basic conditions: 60 GB RAM, 30 GB free space, and reliable internet speed of 100 Mbps. And these are the chips M1, M2, M3, M4. So if you have Intel chip that is not compatible with the Kuzco, that is not supported, you must have M1 chip, at least M1 and after that. So M1, M1 Pro, M1 Max, they are fully supported, and these fully supported latest generation as of 2025. And if you have GPU, whether it is RTX 4090, A10, so if they have a complete list of eligible devices, and this might be very helpful. And I think if you have any idle device like you mostly use in daytime, then you can start compute in the night, at least like 8 to 10 hours, and you will be getting the points. So let me show you. This is my Kuzco console. What you have to do, you just need to go to this Kuzco main website. You have to click the download, and once you have downloaded and once you open it, you have to create your account. Like I have logged in with my email address, and this is my Epoch 1 total points. So actually I have not mined this Kuzco through this device. I have another device and I've mined using that, and now I am participating in Epoch 2 as well. So you have to register here and then go to the worker. After going to the worker, you have to click on the create worker section, and once you click, I hope you are able to see that I have clicked on create worker. It is on the top. It might not be visible to the screen recording. Click on the create worker, give a name to the worker. For now, MacBook Pro M3, and then MacBook desktop app, and then create worker. So once you start creating it, this will be the dashboard that you will see, and this instance has 000. These are the Kuzco points. These will increase, and here you can see the instances, and here logs. It is saying this worker is not running. You have to start this instance. So another, you can see start instance, a button over the top, and once you click, it will start instantiating the instance, and then it will say instance will take some time, and hopefully after a minute or 5 minutes the instance will start working, and you will see your points are increasing. And that's all how you can actually install this Kuzco console. If you face any issue, you can write it down into the comment section of this video. I will be helping you out as much as possible, because I believe that Kuzco will give a very good amount of airdrop to the people who provide support to the network. So that's all about this video. See you into the next video. Thank you.